I'm here today to talk to you about the next generation of cordless cleaning and how you can maximize your hours and minimize your costs. Okay. My name is Rachel Lego. I am the Director of Channel Marketing for Hoover Commercial. Hoover Commercial is owned by TTI Floor Care. Our parent company also owns Ryobi, Milwaukee. We make more batteries than anybody else. It's really what we do. And we're here with a passion to move the cleaning industry to cordless cleaning. So again, we've got a lot of powerful brands and a lot of experience in cordless cleaning. So if you think about it, how many maintenance department workers have never in their life used a corded drill? I mean, they don't even know what you're talking about. So here at TTI Floor Care at Hoover Commercial, we've been thinking about how do we do that for our own industry? How do we make it so that the next generation has no idea what it is to plug in a vacuum, to trip on a cord, to pull it out of the wall, and really have been pretty focused on what are those barriers to getting adoption in our industry. So I'm going to bring that through, and we're really focusing on how do we help solve the problems that you guys have in cleaning and trying to have a profitable business and create a clean building. So how many of your budgets are going up every year just, because of extra, do what you're doing? You got more staff than you need. Everybody is being asked to do a lot more with less. Every time, every fiscal, you've got your clients saying, I want the same and more, but I want you to do it for me cheaper. You've got, maintaining your profit margin, costs going up, the huge pressure that you have on labor. We've had lowest unemployment in 50 years. You're looking at, trying to hire people who could go work at Target or Starbucks for $15, $16 an hour. It's a lot of pressure on a business that doesn't give you a whole lot of room. And when you're looking at your, EMOD score, if you've got workers' comp issues, you can wipe out the profit of an entire contract in just one issue. So it's all about managing those hidden costs and making sure that everything you do is making you more profitable and not sucking it out of your business. So again, we've got the lowest unemployment in 50 years. We're talking about historical rates. And when you look at trying to employ, look at BSCAI, they say 40% of their membership has a turnover rate of 50% or higher. So, that's a pretty big challenge for you guys to face on even getting the labor there, much less how to use them most efficiently. So then taking a look at the cost of slip, trips, and falls, we're talking about $70 billion annually in the cost of slips, trips, and falls, and that's workers' comp, right? And that's not all cords, for sure. There's lots of other things. You guys are working about matting and drying floors, and you know what all of those are. But cords certainly do contribute to that. And that's not even taking into account if you're in a building where you have patrons or workers and you're doing day cleaning with it, and this is just workers' comp cost. So we're looking at how do we do this more efficiently? How do we make sure that you are maximizing your hours? And vacuuming, according to the American Institute for Cleaning Sciences, who did this practical time study on our cordless equipment, vacuuming is 15 to 25% of the cost of cleaning your building. What we're talking about, restrooms, trash, and vacuuming, right? How do we become more efficient in those core tasks? So this study again was done by the American Institute for Cleaning Sciences. It's available on our website for download as well. And it's called a practical time study. So basically what they do is they bring in real custodial workers, people who know how to clean, so we get the real things. It's not a model or a product manager doing something like this. We put down soil, confetti, so that we slow the workers down to make sure, hey, just everybody clean back and forth all the time. No, they're cleaning, to pick up dirt. So we want to make sure we mimic that real life and make it so they're cleaning that path. And then he takes 1,000 square feet, tapes it off, and cleans. And that's really where we get these cleaning times. So you'll see in our practical time study, the Hoover M-Power 40-volt cordless upright cleaned nearly 28,000 square feet an hour. That's 22 minutes to vacuum 10,000 square feet. When we look at the backpack, which is over in the innovation station, we're looking at almost 42,000 square feet. Those are huge numbers. Now what that's compared to is the ISSA 612 times. You guys have seen that to do work loading, etc. So, rather than redoing those times, we're doing a practical time study. What's it really going to take you? That's an 8 times improvement on an upright. So again, making sure you're most efficient in one of your largest cleaning tasks. So as I said, our passion is really about how do we make sure that we change the industry to cordless cleaning, that we really bring this innovation. So we've been obsessed about why aren't people picking this up? What are the barriers? And so price, performance, and weight. And that's what we've really been working on. So we've got productivity. Obviously, cordless gives you that straight out of the bag. Lightweight. This is over 30% lighter. So I'll get into it, but this is with battery, under 13.5 pounds. Our backpack with battery, which again you can see at the innovation station, is 13.2. So we know that it was kind of funny. I was there to watch the study, which was a great experience. But we had a 6'7" gentleman cleaning and a 4'10" woman cleaning as well. And it's what you guys challenge with every day. You've got all different people, different heights. We say, like small women don't really want to have a backpack on. Well, she loved the upright. She had to test the backpack. By the end of it, she's like, you know what? I think I might actually switch to that. So it really does get over some of those barriers. We talk about affordability. So while you may have understood previously, I get it, cordless productivity is better, but I don't have 2-3 times as much as a corded vacuum to really bring that in. And it's a lot to prove out to the bosses that I'm going to get this productivity out. It's a big workload. We sell our equipment separately. So you buy the vacuum, the battery, and the charger separately. But for a set of one of each, our MSRP is $599. So again, that investment in battery development, making sure we bring in the lightweight, simplifying it as much as possible, has really allowed us to break that cost barrier. And from a performance standpoint, we have very high performing products. Our upright is CRI Gold and the backpack is CRI Silver. So we've been really passionate about it and hitting all of those barriers, and hopefully this is something that's really going to help you guys improve your businesses. So again, it's like adding labor hours without adding staff, right? You're going to get more out of your labor. You're going to be able to use fewer people. You're going to be able to clean more square footage more quickly. And it's, again, vacuuming is really a fundamental in cleaning. So what would you do with that extra person, right? What other service could you offer to your clients without increasing your costs? How could you better your business that way by being more productive? So again, it is designed, it's lightweight, user-friendly, ergonomic. We do have a great Velcro strap as well, so it's a quick fit on anybody. Easy to wear, like a hiking backpack. And without compromising your budget, you can flip your fleet there. We've really brought the cost down on the product as well. So our backpack has quick pass cleaning. So the performance brings you one pass, you can clean the dirt there. It works very quickly in the office. Quiet operation, so we do have a 2-speed motor so that we're lead compliant under 70 decibel. And the ergonomic harness, which I just went over. Our 13.4 pound upright, and it's a lightweight handle, and this is the one I have here. We have a quick pass cleaning. I actually didn't put this dirt down, somebody else did. So quick pass cleaning to clean up that dirt. And an ergonomic handle to help reduce fatigue. We also have an auto stop option in here, so when the user puts it up and it stops, there are other vacuums that'll keep going. So when you put up the handle, the vacuum doesn't run away on you, it's going to stop. So regarding our charger,
Battery life.
So battery life is 49-minute runtime. Yep, I was right there. But thanks for the prompt, I appreciate it.
Perfect segue, right?
Yeah. So for our upright, it's 49 minutes in normal mode. It's 45 minutes for the backpack in normal mode. We do have a boost mode if you do have an area that you need cleaned, specifically higher. And it's fade-free performance. Great question. So the charge time on the battery is 60 minutes. So yeah, pretty darn close. Yeah, by the time you take the battery out and walk, etc., it is about 1 for 1. Yeah.
And it's
batteries and the one is the backpack? You can,
They are interchangeable. So yes, this is a network product. So our battery here will fit in our backpack, vice versa. And then if you come to our booth, 2437, we also will be introducing a blower in the spring. So if you have areas like, walk-off mats, litter under cars, if you have any stadium classroom seating, something you can quickly sweep up. So.
Well, I understand the return on investment of buying this to save productivity, but since you've got to use multiple batteries essentially, if you have using multiple of these at a time, how much do these battery cost?
Sure. So the equipment MSRP is $299. The battery is $199. The charger is $99.
Okay. So
the whole package is $599. Yep. Okay. So you guys are asking questions right before I get to the Q&A area. No, that's great.
That's a good presentation.
Well, thank you. Are there any other questions that you guys have or things you're interested in? I would encourage you to head over to the Innovation Station and take a look at the backpack. But in our booth, 2437, you guys, we have a lot of demo units, hands-on, videos for you guys to see. We really do a lot of training materials as well. So really encourage you. I know it's a big show floor and everybody's feet are hurting, but it's really worth it. So in addition to that, we've got a corded versus cordless race going on. So if you come and do the race, you're entered into a sweepstakes and you can win up to 10 fleet. It's basically flip your fleet. We're going to give the winner of the sweepstakes 10 vacuums, batteries, and 10 vacuums, batteries, and chargers. Does anybody else have any questions? Yeah.
Your backpack, what's the capacity?
6 quart.
6 quart.
The capacity is 6 quart. Well, thank you so much for taking the time. I hope to see you at our booth. I hope you come run our sweepstakes. It's really worth quite a bit. So thanks so much. Enjoy the show.